Okay, let's have another 5-minute game. I did have a game which the opponent disconnected and wasn't really sure if it was worth uploading. I'll just quickly show you what happened. I was black. I played actually knight g8 to bishop g5 for a laugh, and basically I got in trouble with an e5 break here soon. I got one piece there of bishop, and he's just taken a pawn attacking my queen, so I left my queen to be taken to get basically 3 pieces, so it's quite an exciting position. I let f7 drop, but here I think I was in trouble. I played bishop d4 and then he sort of disconnected and forfeited after the next move. So anyway, let's see, can I play an aggressive game with an open Sicilian? So e6. Sicilian can with a6 and queen c7. Can and Timecontrol, difficult to distinguish between the two. I think Timecontrol might be with the knight c6, move a6. It's quite difficult to distinguish. I think bishop d3 here, maybe even c4 Maróczy bind. Let's go for Maróczy bind. The dreaded Maróczy bind. How about g3 instead of moving the bishop ordinarily, or even a3 just to encourage actually g3 here, bishop b4, bishop g2. No, I lose c4. Okay, I think I just want to let him take on c3 and take on e4. Get the dark squares in compensation. So I guess bishop b4, materialistic approach, or is he going to use the h file, sort of h5 knight g4 later? It's typical plan with that queen on c7, eyeing a soft spot. I could take here. I think I will. If the queen wants to get away from my soft spot, that's good. If b takes, well, there's another pawn on the light square. Okay. f4, e5. So blocking in this bishop is not particularly hot. But here it's sort of more justified. I think I will play that. Maybe check. He's going to play a check. Okay. Well, just f5, then I'm blocking out that diagonal. So bishop g5 at some point for queen e1, queen h4. This bishop's kind of restricted. Bishop g5, queen e1, queen h4. Okay. I don't want to allow b4, so I'll do that. And now, hey, what about b4 here for c5? I want to do that. Hang on, bishop d4. Nope. Okay, bishop g5 then. Get the bishop here. Pin that pawn. Maybe rook, just rook c1, then b4 maybe. Try and restrict the bishop with c5 later. Can't castle queen side yet with the queen eyeing d8. So, okay, oh, that's interesting. Okay, so I think rook c1 just to guard that, so I can play b4 here without bishop d4 being annoying. I'll play that now. So I can play c5, trying to lock out that bishop. Interesting. Sort of reinforce. Actually, queen b3 might be tempting. Just pinning that pawn as well. Doesn't really want to play a4, does he? Interesting position. Kind of juicy looking, one might venture to say. Rook f3, rook g3, maybe an attack with g4 at some point. Or, okay, let's see. Bishop d3, knight e2. I want to support e4 first or bishop f3. Maybe bishop f3 and then g4 later. I'm glad that this bishop's kind of locked out. If g4, well, I'm making way for knight e2, and then g4, knight g3, knight h5. Okay, I'll do that. I think I'll get this knight over. It's g3. Oh, I'll keep on that diagonal. Could be useful. Mind you, rook d2 at some point. It's going to be annoying. Or is it? So knight g3. Ah. Okay, I'll guard d2. Is knight g3 still got any venom here? It's guarding d1 now as well after knight g3, so I'll do that. Takes a few boxes. There's still rook d2. Knight h5, and this is a queen sack. Oh, that's annoying. Okay, it's one less piece though. This piece is going to be bad surely in the resulting end games. So he wants to draw. No way. I'm playing on here. I like this position. King. Okay, so king h2, g4 to worry about. Queen coming to h4 at some point. So this knight's kind of awkward. Oh no, I'm not going to get harassed with draw offers, am I? I'm going to reinforce e4. Okay, he's going for this little tactic. Okay. Bishop e2. Okay, that drops e4. If hg, his queen's coming in. I'll let his queen come in. Maybe knight f1 to h2. Okay, knight takes e4 here. E1 will drop. Whoa, that's a good one. Okay, what about rook takes e4? Okay, e1's going to drop. That's unfortunate. I think I have to let it drop. It's going to be with check. That's a vicious tactic. Indeed. What about knight f1? Queen h1 again. Blimey. This is a really bad tactic to deal with. Okay, rook takes e4, bishop takes e4. Bishop e4 gives me a breathing space. I'll go for that. Hasn't gone for the immediate. What is going on here? Why hasn't he gone for the immediate? Okay. King is precariously placed. What about rook e2? Still losing material here. Check. Takes. It's pretty passive. Oh no. Messed this one up. I knew this tactic was happening. Okay, what to do? Check. Okay, he's gonna play. I can't really defend that. Can I king f1? Blimey. There's queen e4 on the cards. I was going to play queen g3 again. Is he going to force a draw like this or something? Ah, can I get two rooks for the queen? I'm going to move the bishop. I'm getting mated. Rook takes e1. d1. It's got mated. Whoa. Oh well. Oh dear. What happened here? It was G4 was really destructive. Knight takes E4. Oh wow. Great counter attack. I missed that. Oh well. Thanks so much.